104. Here it is. Mr. Turner, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 files here. All right. September 15th, you were charged with shoplifting and criminal trespass. September 19th, you were charged with graffiti. September 20th, you were charged with trespassing. September 22nd, you were charged with trespassing and disorderly conduct. And September 23rd, you were charged with obstructing a highway or public thoroughfare. You have a probation hold, so you're going to be held on that anyway. I have nothing to do with that. The city court matters, I'm going to order no contact with alleged victims, stay away from all of the incident locations. Do not possess or consume any alcohol or illegal drugs. And no firearms or other weapons. $200 bond. I'm appointing the city public defender to represent you. And we are setting a video review for October 3rd at 1:45. That'll be at Tucson City Court. And there should be someone from the public defender's office out to see you before then. You're excused, sir. You can get up, sir. You're excused. Well, you might need some help getting up. Good evening.
Good evening, Judge. Yeah. I might not see you all, so we'll see you later. Have a good one.
So.
I don't want to be able to give you shit. And you might, okay, if we're not also not even that, I just need. So
You're fine. You're fine, sir. Just look at the camera.
All right. That's the refusal. Sir, what's your name?
Daniel Anthony Pearl, sorry.
Daniel Anthony, what now?
Cordova,
We're doing.
Cordova.
Okay, thank you.
My dad's one. Yeah. That auto date's not my real dad. Like that.
All right, Mr. Cordova, you're charged with, oh, let's go on. Previous. Robbery and cruelty to animals.
Me. Okay.
All right, sir, we're going to order no alcohol or illegal drugs, no firearms or other weapons, do not have contact with the alleged victim, stay away from the incident location. The state is requesting a bond of $25,000. We'll hear from the defense.
Thank you, Judge. We are asking the court to consider releasing Mr. Cordova to pretrial services supervision. The pretrial services report does not note any felony criminal history, Judge, although there seems to be a one next to the prior violent conviction. I don't have access to the misdemeanor record, but the failure to appear, Your Honor, says 0 next to the pretrial services in the pretrial services report. I have some competency concerns, Your Honor, but given a complete lack of felony history, we would ask you to consider release to pretrial services. But if Your Honor is inclined to set a bond, we ask that it be close to $5,000. Thank you.
All right, I'll hear from the state.
Judge, we will know that despite, as we mentioned in our recommendation, that despite Mr. Cordova's lack of felony criminal history, he does present a danger to the community in the manner in which he committed this robbery. In addition, Judge, the animal cruelty stems from the fact that he punched a animal canine that was trying to apprehend him. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Bond is set in the amount of $20,000. Your next court date is October 10th at 1:30, and the legal defender is appointed to represent you. You're excused, sir.
All right. All right.
I believe Hathaway Sheehan refused, Judge.
Who?
Nathan Hathaway Sheehan.
Oh, yeah, she was a refusal.
Oh,
And there's another one. Number 2.
oh man.
Number 4. Okay. Hello, what's your name, sir?
Monty Golden?
Monty Gold.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna start at the top.
Okay, you are on probation for some domestic violence offenses at Tucson City Court. There's a petition to revoke your probation alleging number 1, that on or about August 26th and September 9th, both of this year, you failed to abide by written directive. Condition 1, on or about August 12th and September 29th, you failed to actively participate in treatment. On or about September 27th, you possessed a
Sir.
firearm and ammunition.
It's not, that was not mine. It's not mine, it's my roommate's, and I had lost
Sir,
my
Sir,
paperwork.
sir,
Sorry.
quiet.
Yes, sir.
You have anything to say, you say it to your lawyer. You will have a lawyer, sir, not to me. Or to anyone else for that matter. Okay, firearm. On or about August 28th, the defendant failed to attend court review hearings. Will enter denial of those allegations. Here. Bond is set in the amount of $5,000. The city public defender is appointed to represent you. You're going to be seen on video on October 15th at 1:30 at Tucson City Court. And if you post the bond and are released, it'll still be the same date and time, but you need to be there in person. In any case, someone from the public defender's office will be out there to talk to you, and you can tell that person whatever it is you want to say. Okay, you're excused.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
and Judge, while the court handles misdemeanors, may I be briefly excused?
You may.
Thank you so much.
Well, this one is.
Your Honor, just here. I just want to give you, Mr. Gamble also refused, but I have everybody else here. If you want to start at the top. of the
Gamble.
list, you can go.
Okay.
So that is, so it's.
And no objection to continuing any felonies, Judge.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Good evening.
Hello, sir. One moment.
Thank you.
Number is number 1. We'll get to those. Hello, sir. What's your name?
Mark Anthony Cervantes Ramirez.
Okay. All right, you charged with domestic violence, assault, no injury, and domestic violence, disorderly conduct. And you have a felony hold on another domestic violence charge. I'm going to order that you have no contact of any kind with Yolanda Ramirez. Stay away from her home and workplace. Do not possess any firearms or other weapons. Don't commit any acts of domestic violence. Don't possess or consume any alcoholic beverages or illegal drugs. Bond is set in the amount of $2,499. And the city public defender is appointed to represent you. It's Tucson City Court. You're gonna have a video review on October 10th at 1:45. Someone from the city public defender will be out there to see you before then. You are excused.
Your Honor, this is the Spanish court interpreter. May we ask with the JLFC if there's any Spanish speakers?
Can you tell us, jail, if there are any Spanish speakers? I'm not receiving a response, so I don't know.
Okay.
All right, Gamble is, I'll be with you in a moment. Okay, let's continue for tomorrow. Gamble. Hello, what's your name, sir?
Justin Ryan Coleman.
Say again.
Justin Ryan Coleman.
Mr. Coleman, you're charged with theft. This is from September 17th. And it looks like you're on probation with Tucson City Court. On shoplifting, trespassing,
Yeah.
indecent exposure, failure to appear. Did they actually file a petition to revoke? Okay, all right. You are also being held on a $2,500 bond by Justice Court. Your city court bond will be set at $1,000. You're not to have any contact with the alleged victims. Stay away from the incident locations. No alcohol or illegal drugs, and no firearms or other weapons. I'm appointing the city public defender to represent you. Video review date is October 9th at 1:45. There should be someone from the public defender's office out to see you before that date. Anything you have to say, you say to your attorney. You're excused. Hello, what is your name?
Wendy Caroline Norman.
Okay. Okay, you are charged, and this is from August 19th. with domestic violence, disorderly conduct, and domestic violence assault. Domestic violence. Oh, wait a minute, no. The font is too small. Domestic violence assault and domestic violence disorderly conduct.
And self-defense, Your Honor.
Ma'am, do I have to tell
Well,
all of you, stop talking?
I'm sorry.
All right, thank you. I can't read this date here. I think it's September something, but I can't read the date. It's too tiny. And September 19th, domestic violence assault and domestic violence disorderly conduct. Looks like you already have a hold by Tucson City Court. I'm going to order that you have no contact with Keith Norman. Stay away from his home and workplace. Don't possess any firearms or other weapons. Don't commit any acts of domestic violence. No alcohol or illegal drugs. And it looks like Janet Altschuler was already appointed to represent you. Bond is set in the amount of $2,499. And you already have a video review scheduled for tomorrow at 1:30. We're going to stick with that. October 1st, 1:30. Public defender is appointed. You're excused. No, I'm sorry, Janet Altschuler is appointed. You're excused.
I'm gonna go stand up. Good to know. Let's say right this meeting.
Hello, what is your name?
Clarissa Buitimea.
I'm sorry, say again.
Clarissa Buitimea. Clarissa Buitimea.
Spell your last name.
Buitimea.
Okay, got it. There we go. Okay, you're charged with domestic violent disorderly conduct. I'm going to order that you not have contact with Osvaldo Praslovina Cañez. Stay away from his home and workplace. Don't commit any acts of domestic violence. Do not possess any firearms or other weapons. No alcohol or illegal drugs. I am releasing you from custody with those conditions, and your case is in South Tucson City Court. Court date October 14th, 10:00 a.m. You're excused.
Thank you.
All right, man. We're downstairs with the details, right? Flores, Christian.
Hello, what is your name?
Christian Flores?
Flores.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Flores. There we go. You have an arrest warrant out of Pima County Justice Court, charges of possession of marijuana under 2 pounds and criminal trespass. This case is from 2020. $500 bond is listed on here on the warrant. And the warrant was ordered on August of 2023. What happened to you that you didn't attend court?
I mean, I have no excuses really.
But that's
I
enough.
was-
You have no excuses. Okay,
Uh,
thank you. Uh, Now that you've been in jail for a while, do you think that you can find it within your power to make your court date if I release you?
yes, sir.
Given the charges, probably nothing too terrible is going to happen. Okay, your next court date then is October 28th at 10:30 a.m. And okay, released on ROR, October 28th, 10:30, Pima County Justice Court. You're excused.
Thank you, sir.
Let's doors to downstairs with mail. Guerrero, Tyson.
Hello, what's your name?
Tyson Juno Guerrero the second, sir.
I can't hardly hear you, sir.
Tyson Juno Guerrero the second,
Spell your last name.
Guerrgr.
Okay, thank you. Here it is. You've got a lot of cases. Pima County Justice Court. You've got a warrant on a shoplifting case. And along with failure to appear. This is from last year. And August of this year, you were charged with shoplifting and trespassing. And there's a warrant for failure to appear on this matter as well. Marana Municipal Court. You've got a warrant for failing to appear. This case is from June of this year. Shoplifting and possession of drug paraphernalia. And then you've got a bunch of cases in Tucson City Court. Okay, Miranda, I'm gonna hold you on a $200 bond. Appoint attorney Janet Altshuler to represent you. And you're going to be seen on video tomorrow at 12 o'clock noon. Oh, wait a minute. No. Oh, okay. It's Miranda. Hmm. Did you put Janet Altshuler's name on the justice court cases? Because it's, oh, conditions copied from Miranda?
It transfers, it's just, if you do all around, like, once besides JP, put it into the first, it's not the open information, it's to the JP. That has been pulled.
Oh, I wish I had known that. I didn't know. Okay, I gotta correct this thing.
And I see.
Guerrero. Well, okay. All right. All right, the shoplifting warrant from Pima County Justice Court, $200 bond. Attorney Gary Grinkovich is appointed. You're going to be seen in that court as well tomorrow, but at 1 p.m. on video. Can we get rid of conditions copied from Miranda? Yeah. Oh, okay. All right. So Mr. Guerrero, are you still with us?
Guerrero. Tyson. Wake up.
Sir, the judge is asking you a question.
Wake up. The judge is talking to you. Guerrero, wake up. Your Honor,
Yeah.
wake up.
Dude,
The judge is talking to you.
dude, can you please stop shaking?
No, because you're not.
Okay. Mr. Guerrero, on your justice court matters, you're gonna be seen tomorrow at 1:00 PM on those warrants. Gary Grinkovich is appointed to represent you.
Okay.
All right. And then we'll move on to Tucson City Court. Wow.
Guerrero.
I don't know if I can do this. He's
Yeah.
Yeah, Judge, I'll go ahead and continue. I know I don't represent him on the misdemeanors, but I think he told me he's sick, so I think it's better to continue.
Sure, stand up.
Tomorrow morning.
Stand up.
okay.
You're done. You're gonna go to court tomorrow morning. No, stand up. It's too late. They already continued you. They already continued you. Stand up.
You'll see a judge tomorrow morning, okay? Don't worry. Go, you're feeling sick, take care of yourself.
Take it right. No, take it right. Go back. Gotcha.
I'm gonna continue those to the other cases that I did tomorrow as well. Yeah. He's trying to get into another world. All right. Okay. Okay, your name, please?
Daniel Shinner.
Daniel. So. Okay, you've got an arrest warrant out of Sarita Municipal Court on threats intimidation charge from 2024.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it looks like you failed to appear
Yes, sir.
in April of this year.
That is correct. Yes.
Why was that?
Really don't have an excuse, but I was going through bad pain, physical pain for diabetes, and then because of that, mental health issues that I now have situated a lot better.
So you can, if I let you go, you'll make it this time to court?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, you're released October 28th, 8:30 a.m. Sarita Municipal Court. You're excused.
Go out the door, down, sir.
One question for you.
Yeah, we'll give you 4 papers. One sec.
Thank you.
Vital?
Hello, what's your name?
Adam Vidal, Your Honor.
Okay.
You bring me 44.
You got an arrest warrant out of Pima County Justice Court on a contempt of court charge. The charge is from 2018. This warrant is from 2023. What happened that you didn't attend to this, sir?
I don't have any excuses. I don't know.
You got another case in Tucson City Court. If I do let you go on your own recognizance, are you going to make it to those court dates?
Yes, sir.
All right. This is, he's got an attorney already on the. Yes. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm gonna release you on this matter, in Justice Court. Your court date there is November 3rd at 9:30. And then Tucson City Court, you have a new charge. Possession of drug paraphernalia. Will order no alcohol or illegal drugs. Don't return to the incident location. And I'm gonna release you on your own recognizance. Your court date at Tucson City Court is October 29th at 2 p.m. And okay, October 29th, 2 p.m. Tucson City Court.
All right.
All right, there you go.
So go to,
Thank you, Your Honor.
we need to take one for the dates and stuff. Talk to
Hello, what's your name?
Brian Caldera.
Tucson City Court, you were charged with possession of drug paraphernalia and failure to provide identification. This is from today. You were cited on June 15th with trespassing and resisting arrest. You failed to appear on that matter in July. I'm going to order that you not possess any alcohol or illegal drugs, no firearms or other weapons, don't have any contact with any alleged victims, don't return to the location of these alleged incidents, And you have a Department of Corrections hold. I'm appointing the city public defender to represent you. I'm going to release you on the city matters, but appoint the city public defender to represent you. And there's a non-transport review set for November 21st at 9 o'clock. Non-transport meaning you're not going to be brought to court, but your attorney will be there representing your interests. If someone from the public defender's office should be out to see you before that date. You're excused.
Mr. Dan? Yep.
All right.
Hello, what's your name?
Hello, Grant Stam.
Okay. All right. You're charged today with trespassing and possession of drug paraphernalia.
Yep.
Order, no alcohol or illegal drugs. And don't go back to the incident location. You were previously is there a petition for revoke in these cases? Not seeing one.
Was there one on the front? You might have put it in underneath there. So underneath there, maybe.
Oh, so there is. All right. Okay, you were charged with trespassing, failure to appear. This is from February of this year. So we'll note arraignment on that one as well. Okay, drug paraphernalia, trespassing. This one is from September of 2024. Failure to appear on that. And you are on probation for various charges, including drug paraphernalia, possession, failure to appear.
Probation.
And trespassing. Yes, probation.
Really? All right.
You pled guilty back in February of last year to those charges.
All right.
There's a petition to revoke your probation,
All right.
alleging that there's reasonable cause to believe that conditions of probation have been violated in that failure to show proof of substance abuse counseling. That's one thing you were ordered to do as part of your probation. And
Okay.
that proof was due by August 26th of last year. Looks like you didn't do it. We are going to enter a denial. That's like a not guilty plea.
So we might have to continue. Continue later.
What's going on?
Hey, Your Honor, there's a possible fire at the jail right now, so we might have to be securing everybody into a holding cell.
What?
Okay,
Sir, hold on, don't panic. Don't panic, sit down, sir.
okay. We'll reset the rest of these for tomorrow then.
I apologize, Your Honor.
Well, unless you start the fire, there's no need for you to apologize. All right, okay, we'll continue tomorrow.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good night.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good night.
Jail? I believe jail or no?
No, sir, you want it?